Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you two apps that will help you make $400 daily. The first app is called App Karma. This is a free app which will help you earn money, complete offers to earn rewards, then redeem your points for PayPal or top brand gift cards. Available for iOS and Android users. Scroll down and see their referral program rewards. Share your invite link or referrer code and earn 30% of what your referrals earn. YouTubers, bloggers, and anyone interested in becoming an affiliate, join the VIP referral program. If you have a social media presence, YouTube, Instagram, etc., or a blog site, we can help you make money. Read about Karma Plays. Karma Plays let you earn daily rewards for playing with the apps you've installed on App Karma. Simply keep the apps that you were rewarded for, then play with it each day to earn extra bonuses. Read about achievement badges. Get extra bonuses when you earn achievement badges, install 5 apps, watch 25 videos, check in 5 times, etc. Increase your reward level each time you earn a Karma Play badge, levels 1 to 4. You can earn up to a 12.5% bonus each time you complete an app offer. So now all you need to do is to download this app and start making money from it. The second app is called instagc.com. This app will help you get digital gift cards instantly. Join our fast-growing community and receive free gift cards instantly for your online activities. On this app you can earn points for things you already do online, which will be exchanged into money. You have to complete surveys, watch videos, shop online or search on the web online. You can now scroll up and create an account by filling your username, password, your email, and click on Sign Up button so that you can start making money from this app. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.